Welcome back to my channel. If you are here, sorry, I got a mirror right there, so you know I'm kind of checking my cute self out. If you're new here, what's good? Welcome to my channel. My name is Emmy. I'm here all about beauty and everything else. You know, like I'm about to start expanding my channel to something else and expand out of, you know, beauty and makeup and stuff like that, and do other things. Alright, so let's get into this makeup. Let's start with this face. So we're trying to get some dewy, beautiful skin, a natural everyday look. So that's basically what we're doing. We're not gonna pack on a bunch of makeup. I'm not going to conceal my dark areas. I'm just gonna get straight into the makeup, doing my foundation and doing all the other steps. I'm also gonna show you guys how I don't get flashbacks. I've done plenty of foundation routines. It's kind of the same, but I do want to show you something new I learned on how not to get flashbacks. So we're gonna get right into that. So I'm gonna start off with my Pore Professional primer, and I really like this primer. I can't tell you why, I just really like it. Now my face is already moisturized. I use the Pond's moisturizer. I really like that on my face. Alright, so once that's all on and applied to the skin, so I'm going to be using Meybelline Fit Me. I was using Juvia's, but I feel like that's not my complexion, that's not my undertone. So I'm going to exchange that as soon as I get to Ulta. But I'm going to use my Meybelline Fit Me. This is my perfect foundation. I really love it, and it just gives me a flawless, dewy look. This is actually dewy and smooth. I'm the color Coconut. I can't find my brush I usually use to apply this, so I'm just going to be ghetto. You know, I'm just going to do it the regular way. Alright, that's a little too much, but you get the point. You don't really need a lot of foundation. I kind of like full coverage. I don't care what type of look I'm doing. I don't care if I'm wearing my makeup for 10 minutes. I like full coverage, and that's only because I have the dark marks.
Ho, ho, ho!
Alright, so I'm going to take a clean sponge. This is my Real Techniques sponge, and I'm going to spray my face with this chamomile and lavender water. Spray all on my face, give me a little refresher. Now, as y'all know, blending is important. I'm going to conceal with my Colourpop concealer. I really love concealer, like I said in one of my other videos or whatever. So we're just gonna highlight our areas where, you know, we look kind of tired, like under my eyes. I know you can still see my bags a little bit. I know I do. So I'm using Fenty Beauty setting powder and honey, and I like this setting powder a lot. I don't like it better than Sosha, but I don't have any flashback. I'm basically gonna show you how I don't get flashback when taking a picture. You want to make sure when you're setting your highlight under your eyes and all those highlight areas, you want to make sure that you're basically packing on the powder and basically pressing it in. Pressing it real good so it's sitting and filling up those pores. So when you're putting it on, you want to basically press it until it really becomes sheer. Like, you want to not see any powder after you're done pressing it. And you don't need a lot. Like, I'm just using not too much, and I'm actually just, you know, doing this to dust off any extra residue. And I'm literally just pressing it in. And you don't want to just do that under your eyes. You want to do that on every highlighted area. Just because your lids do crease, and I'm not using any eyeshadow. Throw some powder on there, press it in. I mean, if you were doing eyeshadow, you can also do this method to apply eyeshadow. I just like to apply my eyeshadow to a wet base. But if you wanted to apply your eyeshadow to a dry base and everything, you can do so by doing this method. When I do my nose, I like to make sure that it's pressed in as well. Nobody want to see a whole long line on your nose. So the reason why I don't like automatically bake when after I set is because I'm not about to have it sitting there for like 5 minutes. You feel me? And I want to take my time to do contour because I do like to make sure my face is chiseled. I use this little bad boy to contour, and I'm using my Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, medium to dark. Contour right here. So we just snatch his face. Like that's not even, I can see it at all. This is lower than this one, but it's alright, we're gonna fix it. And why is it straight line? What the fuck? That better be blended out, because I can't see. I can see, but I can't. Like, it's a glare, right? Alright, so for the nose, you want to kind of get up in there. I do not have a little tiny beauty blender. You do want to use one of those, you know, to get up in there. So we're going to take the Fenty setting powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over it. Alright, so I'm going to set under my contour just to, you know, sharpen it a little bit. So I kind of put it there so it's highlighted, but it's not crazy. Should I dust my powder off or should I get some lashes? I'm going to dust the powder off because I don't want to... I'm just dusting the powder. The reason why you press the powder into your skin is because you want to get into your pores, like I said. And you're dusting away all the product that's really on top of your skin, even though it looks like it's nothing there. Using my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, medium to dark, and it's all fucked up. Like, this is not cute. I don't even know if you can see it because I don't want to angle it too much, but this is not cute, sis. Get it together. You want to set your contour. And I'm kind of adding contour, like the powder contour, like to the rest of my face because I did not put any of the cream contour up here. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, so I'm using this mascara that I got from Avon. I really love it. But I really love this mascara because my face looks nice up close. I really love this mascara. I can't compare it to anything because I really don't go crazy for mascara. It's kind of like whatever gives my lashes some type of look. I'm good. I like specific mascaras. I just don't know the brands. It's kind of like whatever I pick up and try out. If I love the brush and I love the formula, I'll be scared. Like, it took me so long to get the right formula for my face and for my foundation. That it's like using new products is scary.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Alright, so you can stop here and then skip the next step that I'm about to do, and then you can continue from there if you like, or you can follow the next step and do that. Like, it's really up to you, whatever you want to do. But I'm about to apply these lashes. So I'm about to put my lashes on and I'm gonna be right back, y'all. So I'm taking my Fit Me powder foundation and I am in Deep. So I'm gonna set my makeup with my Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. You can use any setting spray that you prefer.
Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I was not able to get any photos, but I did capture this slow-mo from a look that I did on my channel, and I wanted to show you guys how I have absolutely no flashback. I'm taking this video with my back camera in the dark with the flash on, and it's a whole slow-mo video, and you know what they say, videos are better than pictures anyway. So this is the look. Remember, it's Vlogmas, so I will be posting a video every day on my channel. Don't forget to share this video, drop a comment, like, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.